Hey guys, Bruce from CellPro here. Just doing the removal of the sleep, wake, and volume up button on a Samsung S23. All right, so first what you want to do is you want to heat it up. Heat it up to touch again with whatever you'd like, your mom's hair dryer or heat mat, whatever the case may be. Anyways, you want to start with removing this guy here. That's going to be a little bit tough to remove, a little bit tougher. You want to get a razor blade underneath it or make sure that you've really worked this guy in and just get right underneath it. And as long as it's hot enough, it'll come off fine. And then you kind of want to, at this point, just start working this guy off. Probably start here, work that off. Try and leverage it a little bit. Oh, there you go. So that comes off quite easily when you leverage it on there, or leverage the whatever piece it is there. And then really just kind of get underneath another spot, and then just start lifting. And there you go. And then find that guy, leverage it up a little bit, and get in there with your hand. Lift that bad boy up like so. And that guy comes off. It's pretty easy. Like that. And then if the problem is your buttons, that your buttons are damaged, you want to take this and kind of just, you'll start to see it kind of pop out a bit. You might be able to see it right in here. There's a little gray thing that you just want to kind of push on, and then that pushes it out. If you want to do the sleep wake, do the same thing with that. Then you just pull it out. Now if you got a new button and you want to put it in, at that point, I believe they're multi-directional, so you can just put them in wherever you want. So you just slide that bad boy back in like so. Make sure the little things that stick out, make sure they're kind of flush, so you don't want to, just makes the job of putting them in a little bit easier. And again, these are the things that the buttons push on, so you know which way to kind of put it in. So you put her in like that. And then this guy is going to kind of go back in. Oh, sorry, not like that. On this side here. This plate essentially just applies pressure. Now you know what, maybe you put that plate in first. No? Apparently not. Anyways, this is why we make videos, so we can sort of figure these things out. Flush out any problems. See this little thing here? You know that's going to sit in this little valley here, so that definitely goes in like that. There we go. Now this flops back under there. And then like that. You get that nice click again. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and watch another couple videos. I've got the whole S23 repair on another video there, so I'll link it in the description.